Welcome back. In this session, we are going to demonstrate how to solve simultaneous linear equations. We start by stating different methods of solving such type of equations, and then start discussing each of the methods one by one. So methods for solving simultaneous linear equations include, we have substitution method, we have elimination method, we have graphical method, and sometimes we have what we use matrix method. For this class, we'll majorly concentrate on the first two methods, elimination method and substitution method. So let's demonstrate how substitution method works with an example. So solve the system x plus y equals to 6, 2x plus 3y equals to 16. Now to solve simultaneous linear equations by substitution method simply means pick one of the equations and express one unknown in terms of the other. Once you have done that, then the answer you have for one unknown from a given equation, replace for that unknown in the other equation and create a new equation which will only having one variable, and then solve that simple linear equation. So this is what I mean. Like for this example, if we call this equation 1, this one equation 2, we see that from equation 1, it is very easy to make y the subject or express y in terms of x, or even vice versa, x in terms of y. So we let y to be 6 minus x. This is from equation 1. Now, once you have the y expression from 1, now replace it in the second equation to create a new equation that have only one variable x. So replace or substitute 6 minus x for y in equation 2. So probably we can call this one equation 3. So this means we'll have 2x plus 3, but where this y you put 6 minus x should give us 16. So we'll have 2x plus 3 by 6 is 18, minus 3 by x is minus 3x equals to 16. Collect like terms. So 2x minus 3x equals to 16 minus 18. 2x minus 3x is minus x equals to minus 2. So this means x equals to minus 2 over minus 1, which is 2. Having the value of x, we easily get the value of y from equation 3. So this means y will be 6 minus the value of x is 2, which is 4. Hence, the solution to the given system of equations is x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. And you can confirm by saying, so there is a solution when it satisfies all the two given equations. So for equation 1, when you put x for 2, y for 4, clearly you get 6. And when you put this is 2, this is 4, 2 by 4, 2 by 2 is 4, 3 by 4 is 12, and 12 plus 4 is 16. So 16 equals to 16. So therefore, the correct answers are x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Number 2, solve x plus 2y equals to minus 1, 4x minus 3y equals to 18. Now remember, it is at your liberty to express any unknown in terms of the other. So it's not a rule that you must express y in terms of x. So from equation 1, this is equation 2. So we can say from 1, x is easier to express in terms of y, so it'll be minus 1 minus 2y. So call this one equation 3. Then substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So remember, we substitute this 3 in 2 because 3 was formed from 1. So you don't replace in 1. If you replace 1, you'll be rotating around circles. So this means we'll have 4, but where there's x, we put minus 1 minus 2y plus, minus 3y should give us 18. So minus 4 minus 8y minus 3y equals to 18. So minus 4 minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11y equals to 18. Collect like terms. So we'll have minus 11y equals to 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. So minus 11y equals to 22. Then to get y, we'll have 22 over minus 11, which means y is minus 2. Now when y is minus 2, x will be minus 1 minus 2 times minus 2. So minus 1 plus 4. So x equals to positive 3. So therefore, the solution to this system of linear equations is x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 2. Example 3, we have 5x minus 2y equals to 4 and 2x plus 3y equals to 10. So from equation 2, so this is 1, this is 2. From 2, we have 2x equals to 10 minus 3y. So which means x equals to 10 over 2 minus 3 over 2y, which is 5 minus 3 over 2 times y. So call this one 3. Now substitute equation 3 into equation 1 because 3 was obtained from 2. So we'll have 5 into 5 minus 3 over 2y minus 2y equals to 4. 5 by 5 is 25. 5 by 3 is 15. Now, minus 15 over 2 minus 2 gives minus 19 over 2. Y equals to 4 minus 25. which is minus 21. So minus 19 over 2 equals to minus 21. So which means y will be minus 21 times minus 2 over 19. So y equals to 42 over 19. And then x is 5 minus 2 over 3y. So x is 5 minus 2 minus 3 over 2y. So y is 42 over 19. So it'll be 5 minus, so 3 over 2 times 42 over 19. You get 63 over 19. 5 minus answer, we get 32 over 19. So x equals to 32 over 19. You can confirm that those indeed are the solutions to that given equation. Next, we have solve x over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to y. 13 minus y over 3 equals to 3x. So this is equation 1, this equation 2. In fact, this one is simple because from 1 already we have y. So replace 1 in 2. So this is what I mean. Where this y, you put x over 8 plus 5 over 2. So we'll have 13 minus a third into x over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to 3x. So 13 minus 1 over 24x plus 5 over 6 equals to 3x. Collect like terms. 13 plus 5 over 6 equals to 3x plus 1 over 24x. 3 plus 1 over 24 is 73 over 24. Thirteen plus 5 over 6 is 83 over, so x over 8 to 5 over 2, y 13 minus, correct? So 13 minus y, which is x over 8. So remember, this will have a minus sign. So minus, and this minus plus is minus. So that minus can mess you up. So this is minus sign, because minus plus. So then you'll have minus. So 13 minus 5 over 6 is 73 over 6. So change this one to minus. This minus sign. So which means then to get x multiplied through by 24 over 73, to get x equals 2, so times 24 over 73 times 24 over 73, so 1, 4. So means x equals to 4. And then from question 1, we can get y. We'll have 4 over 8 plus 5 over 2 equals to y. And this will give us 4 over 8 plus 5 over 2 is 3. So therefore, the value of y is 3, x is 4. Our last example of this, solve 1 over 2a plus 3 over 5b equals to 4. 4 over a plus 1 over 2b equals to 10.5. This is a good problem. Good in the sense that we can rewrite it as a half times 1 over a plus 3 over 5 times 1 over b equals to 4. And then the other one will be 4 times 1 over a plus a half times 1 over b equals to 10.5. And 10.5 is nothing but 21 over 2. And then we can fix this to be, if we let 1 over a to be x and 1 over b to be y, so these equations will be a half x plus 3 over 5 y equals to 4. And we have 4x plus a half y equals to 21 over 2. So call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. So from equation 2, if I multiply everything by 2, I'll have hx plus y equals to 21, which means y alone will be 21 minus 8x. I can call this one equation 3. So replace 3 in 1, or substitute 3 into 1. That means a half x plus 3 over 5. Instead of having y, I have 21 minus 8x equals to 4. And then I can decide to multiply everything by 10 so that I remove these denominators. So I'll have 10 times a half x plus 10 times 3 over 5 into 21 minus 8x equals to 10 times this is 40. I'm just want to work with numbers without fractions. That's why I'm multiplying by 10. So 1, 5, 1, 2. So 5x plus 6 into 21 minus 8x equals to 40. And so we'll have 5x plus 126 minus 48x equals to 40. So 5 minus 48 is minus 43. X equals to 40 minus 126 is minus 86. So it tells us that x equals to minus 86 over minus 43, which will be 2. And so y will be 21 minus 8 times 2. So 21 minus 16. So 21 minus 16, you get 5. But remember, x and y were our own creations. So which means that our solution will be given by 1 over a, which is the same as x, implies 1 over a. X value from our computation is 2. So which means a is a half, reciprocal of this. And 1 over b was y, which means 1 over b. Our y value is 5. So which means b is 1 over 5. So these are the two solutions to that given question. Thank you.